Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am here some important MCQs and the most recent and new topic, the logarithm of a complex number. Logarithm of a complex number, it consists on two parts. First and all, you need the magnitude modulus of complex number as well as the argument or the angle of a complex number. Argument of a complex number we study in previous lecture and the link is given in description. You can see here. So this formula for log of a complex number, log of complex number is simple log of modulus plus argument with iota sign. It means this is the real part, this is a imaginary part. It means the log of a complex number is also a complex, okay. And then next move to these two important MCQs. First and all, z is equal to 1 minus square root 3 iota divided by 1 plus square root 3 iota. Then find argument of z, and this MCQ is related to my previous lecture. First and all, this one z, simplify this complex number, and all of you know how to simplify this complex number. Remove iota from denominator, we multiply, conjugate 1 okay. It means square root 1 square minus iota square root 3 whole square, and in numerator 1 minus iota square root 3, 1 minus iota square root 3, it becomes the whole square. Okay, applies the formula here on both sides, and finally by applying the whole formulas, the final result is 2 minus 1 minus square root 3 iota. Okay, and find the argument. And for the argument, in previous lecture I study is tan inverse y of x, imaginary or real, and here imaginary is square root 3 over 2, 1 over 2, both are negative sign. It means the third quadrant. Due to third quadrant, the final result is square root 3. It means 60-degree angle, because 2 cancel with 2, 60-degree angle. Due to third quadrant, the final result is angle in third quadrant. How third quadrant? Because both are negative, x negative, y negative, both negative, it means the third quadrant, and then angle is 180 plus 60, this one is a 240 degree, and then final result is option C. Okay, and now log of this. Student, the log of minus 1 minus iota is a complex number, and for complex number we need modulus and argument. Minus 1 minus iota. First and all, find z. Z is modulus square of real and imaginary part, minus 1 square plus, and the formula of modulus also given in my previous lecture. square root 2. Next, the augment according to this rule. Augment of z is tan inverse. Tan inverse, imaginary, real, third quadrant, tan inverse of 145. Due to third quadrant, angle will be, third quadrant means 180 plus angle, okay, 180 plus 45 and 225. Student, angle is 225. Augment, modulus square root 2 and argument is 225. According to formula, you use this rule, log square root 2, log of square root 2 plus iota, argument of z is 225. Where is answer? Which is answer? A, B, C, D. None of these, because here no. This is the mistake for student, because log square root 2, here there is no square root 2, so all mostly students attempt option D. But be careful, log square root 2 means 2 raised to power 1 by 2, and according to law of logarithm, power it becomes a multiple, so final result 1 by 2 log of 2 plus iota 225. So student, there is no D option, it is a A option. Okay, so student, for in today's lecture, two important topic, logarithm and argument. Okay, finding argument, simplify and then find argument, and as well as finding the log of complex number, you also need modulus as and a argument. Okay, it means the argument of a complex number is the most important topic. If you did not understand this, so please see my previous lecture and its link is given in description. I hope you understand these two important MCQs, and on these, this is not only two important MCQs, this is a main topic of a PPSC and other tests. If you like this lecture, so please like. If you have any problem, you can mention in comments. Thank you for watching. Take care.